Sparrows encounter a host of threats in urban areas, which have contributed to declining populations in many cities. Urbanization often leads to habitat loss and fragmentation, with the removal of natural vegetation and the replacement of green spaces with concrete structures, leaving sparrows with limited places to forage and nest. Pollution, including air pollution and contamination of water sources, can harm sparrows directly and reduce the availability of their prey. Inadequate food sources, exposure to artificial light, and collision risks with buildings are other urban-specific challenges that sparrows face. These combined factors underline the importance of urban conservation efforts to support and protect these adaptable little birds in human-altered landscapes.
Thanks for watching this video.